Okay, the Algebra Project is basically a program that tries to help kids that are low in, not too low in math, but that aren't the best at math. And it tries to help us understand it. It pretty much just breaks it down from the background, because usually in math you would see the numbers, but the Algebra Project, it helps us with behind the scenes, the words, and how to really understand what you're doing, not just doing it problem solving.
It's also like a college prep course. Prepares you for college, for future classes that you'll be taking, and it's like some people, they don't really know like how they're gonna get into college or what they'll do, so it's like it helps us get ready for college and it helps us get into college. Saturday we had a presentation in front of an audience of 100 college professors at FIU South on campus. We were basically explaining what we learned in class and what we usually learned in the Algebra Project and what the Algebra Project is.
We do a lot of presentations because Bob Moses feels that it's better for us to speak out and say what we're learning and show them what we're learning, instead of him just standing up in there and saying that, oh yes, I'm teaching my kids this, they know that. But it's better to hear it from the kids, actually from their mouths, to know that they're actually learning it and it's not just a game. It's pretty much, you notice it's in urban areas. It helps kids that they always say gonna drop out sooner or later, or that won't make it far in the future,
or don't receive a good education, or don't have better plans for future references in life and things like that.
And you know, the program, it helps us. It's like a big brother, big sister program. It helps us have somebody to lean on that actually wants to help us. You know, it's not that much people that actually, they say they want to help us, but they don't really care about us to actually have patience with us. And the Algebra Project has done that. They've come when we were younger, and then they've tried to be there for us for everything. They've been a big support for us, and you know, everybody deserves to have their own education. Everybody deserves to have a fair education, no matter what area you're from, whether you're going to private school, Catholic school, or just an urban, as they call it, ghetto school. Okay, working with YPP, it has improved our self-esteem and how we think about things and how we learn ourselves. We get to teach the kids, and it feels good teaching the kids, because when they learn something, you always see it on their face. They're always happy, and then we teach them a lot of stuff.
Yeah, that's why. Well, the Algebra Project in YPP has actually got into my personal life, because before that I used to be like one of the kids that used to hang out on the street a lot and, you know, sometimes do bad things. But ever since I started this project, it's like this has been my focus. Change. Yeah, this program has changed my life just completely, because I'm not on the streets anymore. My self-esteem is very high. I have good thoughts about myself. I am not a troublemaker no more, and it's like this is my main focus right here, Algebra Project in YPP.
And a lot of people in the project had given up on thinking about college because they didn't think they was gonna make it. Half of them didn't, and then when the Algebra Project and YPP got into our lives, they started seeing that there is hope, and if you go with it and if you learn that and you become a better person, and that they're gonna help you out no matter what, and then they're gonna be there for us.
Three, 6, 9, 12,
29,
10, 20, 30.
My number is 14. 14 is composite, it's even. Factors of 14 is 1 and 2. 1, 2, and 14. The multiples is 1 times 14 and 2 times 7. And yeah, on the factor color, flag weight color is blue. Can you break down anything else?
No.
Okay, so what was the rule for blue is has at least 2 factors that doesn't repeat. Okay, so
Non-repetitive factors.
Yeah, it's 2 factors that doesn't repeat, so that fits in blue category.
Very good.
Feels too low. You remind me of Bob Moses.
Yellow is a number that have more than one multiple factor.
Factors.
Like
So,
4 is
for
a yellow
example,
because
like
it's
10. 10 could be 5 times 10 or 1 times 10.
so that's a blue number because it's a number that's times one number and another number to equal that number.
So it'd be a composite?
It's a blue number.
Then you will not be able to
So are all blues composites?
No, because you got some numbers that are
Like
composite
15.
and yellow.
15.
Like 4 is a composite, but it's in yellow because like, you have more than one factor.
Y'all really know.
Everybody in the school wants to be an algebra project.
So I know I feel lucky. I don't even know how I got it. It's like I fell my way into the algebra project.
Everybody in the school knows about us and they all want to participate. But you know, they only have a selective group that does participate because they wanted to start with us when we were fresh in high school and then just keep going until we graduate.